Today we will view Sun Harvest, the premier orange factory and store in Fort Myers. We'll go inside and take a look around and see what's available. The store layout is beautiful with fresh oranges right as you come in the door, and they are gorgeous this time of year. You can buy bags of them, individuals. You can get key lime pie. Various sauces, and everything else. We'll go back to the oranges and just take a look at how beautiful they are. Lots of people visiting here today, sampling and buying. The orange industry in Florida is alive and well, and these are all Florida oranges, not imported. Lots of different sauces, wines, syrups. They have a lot of art in here. Lots of candies, sweets, and even chocolate alligators. We'll go a little further and we'll take a look at the tasting bar. So you can come here and taste any type of orange or grapefruit that they have available. We'll walk around and look at some of the marmalades, all the goodies they have for sale. I've had many of these, and let me tell you, they're all extremely good. You can get soaps, you can get cookies, lots of cookies. Lots of sauces, mixes. I especially like their horseradish mixes because I like horseradish. Stuffed animals, alligators in particular, they're fond of here. Lots of chips, candies, sweets. Here's some alligator heads. You can get those and have a real alligator in your house. Orange candies, just a wide variety of everything delicious. These Florida chips right there are my favorites. Rum cake, rum baked goods. And here's Mr. Alligator. He's enjoying himself. I guess it's a real stuffed alligator, but it's waiting for your photo ops. Instagram. Now we'll go back to the section where you can actually taste the orange juice varieties, all for free. Here the gentleman wants me to taste, but I'm filming, of course. But they have several different kinds of oranges. One of my favorites are strawberry and orange mix, but they're all very good and You can taste them and have as much as you want while you're here. Lots of tasty goods to try. Lots of free samples here. Then we have the orange juice refrigerators, so you can go and get gallons, half gallons, quarts, all different sizes. I'm telling you, the orange juice is so sweet, you'd think they added sugar, but they don't. They're all natural. We'll take a walk back, look at all their kids' toys, stuffed animals. Flamingos. Ooh. And there's me, ready to enjoy more orange gifts. Now we'll try to take a peek inside the factory. I don't know if they're working today, New Year's Eve, but we'll take a look through the windows and see what we can see. No, I don't see anybody working, but you can see all the containers where they bring in the oranges. This must be the shipping and receiving part. Now we'll take a look at some more artwork. We'll go down the hall here and see what's available. Lots of nice stuff. We're back in the shop looking at sunglasses. There's me. Lots of gifts. Lots of bath soaps and orange blossom soaps. Very exciting. Oh, there we go. There's their main logo, Fort Myers, Florida, Sun Harvest. And we'll go back, and I got to get some orange juice to go. So we'll go back and get me a half gallon in a minute. They have jewelry, beautiful jewelry, all orange related items. You can't go wrong here if you're looking for fruit, vegetables, or gifts. Believe me. I'll reach in here and get a half gallon of orange juice, and we'll go check out. The checkout lines are usually long here at Sun Harvest, but being New Year's Eve, this one I think will be very short. There's a gentleman and his son in front of me. On the way to checking out, there's all kinds of enticements, all kinds of goodies, candies, etc., for you to pick up while you're waiting, if there's a wait. They have great bakery goods, all Florida related, all fruit related, I should say. And they also have beautiful ice cream here, all orange sherbets and orange milkshakes and just about everything imaginable. The people working here are friendly, and you can get a card here. So when you buy your orange juice, they'll mark the card, and you get, after 10, you get one free. Here's the gift section. These are all gift boxes that you can send to family members all over the world. They're all prepackaged, all #1 grade fruit. Really beautifully done. They work tirelessly on this for season. And if you have a friend and you're visiting down here and you have a friend at home, Send them one of these and they'll never forget it. Fresh fruit in the middle of winter. What a nice surprise. Here's the lady who's running the show. We'll watch a little movie about the factory and how they do it for a second. Sun Harvest since 1990. People here are friendly. They'll reach out and do anything you need. Anyway, have a good day. Hope you enjoyed the video. Subscribe and say hello.